Hello, it's me, Jimakora. As you can see in my background, can you guess where I am? Here in IKEA. IKEA, Balikbulog. Guys, I reached at the end. I don't know what I never had a chance to buy something. So guys, now I'm almost ending. Never buy anything. So guys, thanks. I didn't even take any video. Bye. Hello. It's me, Jimakora. We're on the second bridge. Now we're back to Penang, almost in Penang now. It's a beautiful day. As you can see, not so much transportation, not so much vehicles. It's good to travel. Hi. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also share. Please comment down below